In today's fast-paced digital world, the idea of making money online has become more appealing than ever, especially when you consider the potential to earn $100 per hour using autopilot methods. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your online ventures are generating income while you focus on what truly matters to you. This effortless earning potential is not just a dream, it's a reality for many who have tapped into the right strategies. Financial independence is crucial in our modern society, where traditional jobs may not provide the security or flexibility we desire. The digital age offers countless opportunities to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and create a lifestyle that suits your needs. With the right approach, you can build a sustainable income stream that allows you to enjoy life on your terms. In this video, we will explore practical strategies that you can implement immediately to start your journey toward financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance your existing online income, these methods are designed to be straightforward and effective. So, stay tuned as we dive into the world of autopilot income and unlock the secrets to earning money effortlessly. Autopilot income refers to the ability to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to focus on other pursuits while your money works for you. This concept is particularly relevant in the realm of online business, where technology and automation can streamline processes and create passive income streams. By leveraging the right tools and strategies, you can set up systems that continue to earn money even when you're not actively involved. There are various methods to generate autopilot income, including affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and investing in dividend-paying stocks. For instance, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services, while digital products like ebooks or online courses can provide ongoing sales without the need for constant updates. Additionally, investing in stocks or real estate can yield returns with little day-to-day management. The benefits of automation in maximizing earnings cannot be overstated. By automating tasks such as email marketing, social media posting, and sales funnels, you can significantly reduce the time and effort required to maintain your income streams. This not only increases your earning potential but also frees up your time to explore new opportunities or enjoy leisure activities. Embracing autopilot income is a smart move for anyone looking to achieve financial independence. Finding lucrative niches is a crucial step in establishing a successful autopilot income stream. To start, it's essential to research trending markets and identify high-demand products that resonate with consumers. Look for areas where there is a growing interest, as these can often lead to profitable opportunities. Pay attention to emerging trends in various industries, as they can provide insights into what products or services are gaining traction. One effective way to analyze niche profitability is by utilizing tools like Google Trends. This platform allows you to see how often specific terms are searched over time, helping you gauge the popularity of a niche. By examining search volume and related queries, you can identify which niches are not only popular, but also have the potential for sustained interest. While profitability is important, it's equally vital to choose niches that align with your interests and passions. When you're genuinely interested in a topic, you're more likely to stay motivated and engaged, which can lead to greater success. By combining your interests with market research, you can carve out a niche that not only generates income, but also brings you fulfillment. So, take the time to explore and identify the perfect niche for your autopilot income journey. Creating automated systems for income generation is a game changer in the world of online business. One of the first steps is to choose the right platforms that facilitate automation, such as Shopify or ClickFunnels. These platforms allow you to set up online stores or sales funnels with ease, enabling you to sell products or services without constant oversight. They come equipped with features that streamline transactions and manage customer interactions, making it easier to generate income on autopilot. Another crucial component of automation is email marketing, particularly the use of autoresponders. An autoresponder allows you to send a series of pre-written emails to your subscribers automatically. This not only helps nurture leads, but also keeps your audience engaged with valuable content and promotions. By automating your email campaigns, you can maintain consistent communication without having to manually send each message. Additionally, social media scheduling tools play a vital role in maintaining engagement with your audience. Platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite enable you to plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring that your social media presence remains active even when you're busy. By integrating these automated systems, you can create a seamless income-generating process that requires minimal daily effort, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life or business. Promoting your autopilot income streams effectively is essential for maximizing your earnings. One of the most powerful strategies is to utilize SEO search engine optimization techniques to drive organic traffic to your offers. By optimizing your website and content with relevant keywords, you can improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience, as this will not only attract visitors, but also establish your authority in your niche. In addition to organic traffic, leveraging paid advertising options like Facebook ads can yield quick results. With Facebook's robust targeting capabilities, you can reach specific demographics that are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This allows you to generate leads and sales rapidly, providing a boost to your Autopilot income. Another effective strategy is to encourage collaboration with influencers in your niche. Partnering with influencers can significantly expand your reach and credibility. This can lead to increased traffic and conversions, making influencer marketing a valuable addition to your overall strategy. By combining these marketing techniques, you can effectively promote your Autopilot business and enhance your income potential. Tracking and improving the performance of your Autopilot systems is crucial for maximizing your income potential. One of the first steps in this process is to introduce analytics tools that measure traffic and conversion rates. Platforms like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into how visitors interact with your website, allowing you to identify which pages are performing well and which may need improvement. By understanding your audience's behavior, you can make informed decisions to enhance your offerings. Another essential aspect of optimization is A/B testing. This technique involves creating two versions of a campaign or web page to see which one performs better. By testing different headlines, images, or calls to action, you can determine what resonates most with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your marketing strategies, ensuring that you are always putting your best foot forward. Additionally, it's important to encourage regular reviews of your performance data. By consistently analyzing your results, you can adapt your strategies based on what the data reveals. This proactive approach allows you to stay ahead of trends and make necessary adjustments to improve your income streams. By combining analytics, A/B testing, and regular reviews, you can effectively monitor and optimize your Autopilot systems for sustained success. In this video, we've explored the exciting journey of achieving $100 per hour using Autopilot methods. We began by discussing the concept of Autopilot income and how it allows you to generate revenue with minimal effort. We then identified profitable niches, emphasizing the importance of researching trending markets and aligning your interests with your chosen niche. Next, we covered the steps to set up automated systems, highlighting platforms like Shopify and ClickFunnels, as well as the significance of email marketing and social media scheduling tools. We also delved into effective marketing strategies, including the use of SEO techniques and paid advertising to promote your income streams. Finally, we discussed the importance of monitoring and optimizing performance through analytics tools, A/B testing, and regular reviews to adapt your strategies based on data. Implement these strategies and watch your Autopilot income grow. Also, please look in this video's description for links to AI tools and courses. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, and we appreciate your support on this journey to financial independence.